Hi, this is Abdulaziz Khan, and in this video, in the lesson 1, we will see about the prerequisite of this course. This is basically a cloud course, but we need interpreter or a code writer because even in cloud, we need to write a lot of code. So personally speaking, I use Visual Studio Code for me, and as you can see this on the screen, it's a very nice and very preferred type of code writer. And the good thing is that on the left hand side you can see your files, you can see the file structure as well, and then you can see the code output, and if there is any kind of debug messages, that those also you can see on the main screen with the folder structure and everything. So it becomes very easy to work if you are using Visual Studio Code. Um, so how to get this Visual Studio Code? It's quite easy, and the easiest way is that you Google Visual Studio Code download, and you will find the first link is from the main website, code.visualstudio.com. You can download it from here. I have put it in the description as well. You can find the link from the description. So there are many options. You can have it in Windows or Mac or Linux based on the operating system that you are using. And it's free as well. I mean, you don't have to pay anything. So this is also a very good added advantage. Apart from that, there are other, like one is JetBrain. JetBrain is very much popular in developers, but it's not very much popular for the cloud operations people. So also it's not free. It's a trial version. It's a 30-day trial which will be available. But if someone is already using it, he has a free version, or he want to use it, then he can download based on his operating system, and you can have it for Windows, for AMD 64, or for ARM 64. But I mean, you have to keep in mind that after 30 days, you need to pay for it. So it's not free. It's a trial version. So it has some good things, but it's not highly recommended for cloud. So for cloud, we have this Visual Studio. You can see it on your screen again. I will share with you its good features during the course, and I hope that we are fine. Just update in the channel that which software you will be using. So see you in the next video. Okay.